Alright, what is going on, everyone? So today in this video, I'm going to be going over some Supreme Fall Winter 18 leaks. Now, some of these are sort of confirmed, but I got to give a huge shout out to Onus Official for helping us out with this on this video. And I'm just going to be explaining pretty much all the information from that page and then voicing my own thoughts in it. And it's so far from the items I see, it's looking pretty solid, I would say. There's some unique collaborations, and we also got some pretty nice items, which I will definitely be using also. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it. If you're new, be sure you guys subscribe, drop a like. It'd be appreciated if you guys want to do that, of course. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So let's get started. Alright, so to keep it simple at first, I'm actually going to read all the dates because I always get comments in the section. Now, Tristan, what are the dates for the season? When is it dropping? What are the dates? Is there a date? Yes, there are dates. So the first lookbook teaser is going to be on August 1st, 2018. So this year, clearly, obviously it wouldn't be in the next year. So August 1st on a Wednesday, that is when we're gonna have the first little teaser. And then the lookbook preview is going to drop on August 20th. Obviously this year, again, same month, so I don't really need to explain that. But I think that's, you know, we're pretty close again. Like, even when you think this season's so far away, it's really not. It's still pretty close. And then the first online drop, our first in-store drop, is going to be August 23rd on a Thursday, of course. That is when the first drop is going to be. It's going to be in all stores all over the place. And then also our first online drop is going to be August 30th. So on August 30th, we have our first online drop. And then the Fall Winter 18th first collaboration is on September 6th. So the first week, of course, does not have any collaborations as expected. And then the next week right after that is going to have collaborations. So we have a lot to look forward to so far, I think. And those are all the dates for it. But let's actually get into some leaks. Okay, so actually we do know what the free gift is, and the free gift's pretty interesting, I would say, this year. It is Luden cough drops. So basically that is what the free gift is going to be this year. It's going to come with pretty much every item that you buy, or almost every item. You know, usually you get the free gift, sometimes people don't, but it will come with most items, just cough drops. Again, I don't know really the meaning behind it, but I think, you know, we're heading into winter time, so, you know, people get sick, so maybe Supreme's looking out for us. If you're looking out for us, Supreme, thank you. But yeah, it's actually a pretty good free gift, I would say. Obviously, you know, cough drops, interesting, I'd say. But again, if Supreme really is looking out for us, really looking out for our people, they get sick often. I don't get sick often, but when I get a cold, I pretty much die. So yeah, thank you, Supreme. If you're looking out for me, I really appreciate you. Okay, so the first collaboration that we pretty much know is going to happen. I mean, it's expected. There was a leak on it earlier in Spring Summer 18, and now we have a pretty good evidence behind it on why it would be dropping. So it is the Supreme Norihiro Sekatani collaboration. Now, I'm pretty sure that Sekatani is an artist, if I'm correct. That's what can be expected. He makes a lot of artwork and very interesting art pieces. Now, of course, we had this sticker leak that most people are very familiar with from earlier, and a lot of people are like, oh, that's a pretty dope sticker. But this collaboration will be happening. There'll be t-shirts, pants, skateboards, and of course there'll be stickers. So we're gonna have skate decks for this, and I personally think that a skate deck from this collaboration would be pretty dope. And being real, I mean, again, it's a very weird collaboration, but you know, I'm into sort of different collaborations, so this is actually pretty cool. We see something like this, but you know, that's the first collaboration that we may have this year. It could be a week 2 collaboration, but I don't know, it could drop later, but I think it's gonna happen. Supreme Fall Winter 18, Supreme and Norihiro, sorry, Sekatani. Next up though, I actually have a dog, so this is perfect. This is literally perfect. This is one of the best items that I've seen in a while because I can actually use it properly. This is a Supreme dog leash. So we have a dog leash dropping, probably, supposedly. I mean, again, the one on the screen is just an example of what it could look like. So it's not the actual thing. It's just like a actual made mock-up, I guess you want to put it like that. So this could be, again, it's just an example of a Supreme dog leash. But again, if we were gonna have a dog leash dropping, so I'm pretty excited for this. My dog is now gonna be a hypebeast too. You know, I can make a whole video on that, sure. I mean, why not? But basically, you know, I'm just excited personally because, you know, it's like an item like this is cool. And, you know, obviously if you got a dog, your dog's now hype beast, and it just makes everything better, right? Supreme's appreciating our animals. Supreme's looking out for our health. I mean, I think Fall Winter 18 may be a super generous season from Supreme. You know, like, oh, if you're getting sick, we're gonna drop some cough drops, like or free gift. Exactly. You don't even have to pay for them. Like, Supreme's just straight up looking out for us at this point. So, you know, Supreme being generous, really helping us out, helping our dogs, and just appreciate it. It's a good item. I like it. I'm gonna cop it when it drops. Anyways though, thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Probably a little bit of a quicker video, but I really wanted to go into a bit more depth in these items, and hopefully I did. Hopefully you guys know what you want from this collaboration or from this year. No, it's not just a whole collaboration, it's a whole season. So hopefully you guys know what you will want from it. But yeah, Supreme, I mean, again, I'm gonna repeat it because it's true. Supreme really is looking out for us. I think Fall Winter 18 is gonna be Supreme's season where, you know, they become like a paramedic for us. You know, like they're just helping us out all over the place with our dogs, with their family, keeping their health. Like, you know, Supreme's just being dope. And personally, that whole season's like that, and then props to Supreme. But yeah, I just want to say thank you all for watching. Be sure you guys turn on notifications and subscribe. I forgot to say at the start of the video, be sure you guys turn on notifications, especially so you actually get a video, because YouTube's not going to send you a video unless you do, because they pretty much just don't care about that. But yeah, just thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for the love lately, of course, that you guys have been showing as you do. And hopefully this video was helpful. I'm just trying to be helpful. And yeah, shout out to Onus Official for all the info, because we got to give credit where it's due. So thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it. And of course, peace out.